Imagine getting a notification on your smartphone at 2 in the morning that simply says motion detected at the front door. Your heart instantly drops into your stomach. You grab your phone in a blind panic, tap the screen, and within 1 second you are looking at a crystal clear live video of a neighborhood raccoon digging through your garbage can. Annoying? Absolutely. But it is also incredibly relieving to know you are safe. We install these tiny plastic eyeballs on our porches, in our living rooms, and above our garages to protect our families and our most valuable possessions. We desperately want that peace of mind when we are away on a tropical vacation, stuck at the office, or just sleeping upstairs in our beds. But if you stop and think about it for a moment, it feels like absolute science fiction. How does a tiny battery-powered piece of plastic capture high-definition video in pitch-black darkness, figure out if it is looking at a human or just a blowing tree branch, and magically beam that live footage to your phone thousands of miles away in the blink of an eye? Today, we are going to tear down the plastic casing, look past the confusing tech jargon, and break down exactly how a modern smart home security camera works, step by step, so you know exactly who is watching your house. To understand how a security camera sees the world, we have to start at the very front of the device with the lens and the image sensor. The lens of the camera acts just like the lens of your own human eye. Its primary job is to gather the light bouncing off the objects in your front yard and focus that light through a tiny hole. But light alone does not make a digital video. Behind that glass lens sits the absolute brain of the visual operation, a tiny rectangular computer chip called a CMOS image sensor. This sensor is covered in millions of microscopic light traps called pixels. When the light from your yard hits this sensor, these tiny pixels act like microscopic solar panels. They instantly convert those incoming light waves into electrical signals. The brighter the light hitting a specific pixel, the stronger the electrical charge it produces. The camera's internal processor reads these millions of tiny electrical charges and rapidly translates them into the digital pixels that make up the crisp high-definition video on your phone screen. It does this entire process 30 times every single second to create a smooth, seamless live video feed. But here is the biggest problem with relying on light. Criminals usually do not try to break into your house at high noon on a sunny day. They prefer the cover of total darkness. So how on earth does a security camera give you a perfectly clear video of a burglar at 3 in the morning when there is absolutely no light outside? The secret is hidden in a ring of tiny dark red bulbs circling the main camera lens. These are infrared light-emitting diodes. Here is a fascinating fact about physics. The human eye can only see a very small specific range of light on the electromagnetic spectrum. Infrared light is completely invisible to our naked human eyes, but the digital image sensor inside the camera can see it perfectly. When the sun goes down and the camera's light sensor detects that it is getting dark, it automatically clicks a mechanical filter out of the way and turns on those infrared bulbs. These bulbs act like an incredibly powerful invisible flashlight, blasting your entire front yard with infrared light. To a person standing in the yard, it looks completely pitch black, but to the camera, the yard is brilliantly illuminated. The image sensor captures this invisible light bouncing off the environment and displays it to you as a highly detailed, crisp black and white video, allowing you to see exactly who is creeping around in the dead of night. Now that the camera can see perfectly in the day and the night, it faces another massive challenge. High-definition video files are incredibly large. If a wireless camera recorded every single second of the day endlessly, it would burn through its battery in just a few hours and completely fill up its memory storage by lunchtime. To solve this, smart security cameras are designed to stay asleep for most of the day, only waking up and recording when something actually happens. But how does it know when to wake up? Most modern cameras use one of two methods for motion detection. The first method uses a passive infrared sensor, which detects sudden changes in heat. When a warm human body walks into the camera's field of view, the sensor detects that moving heat signature against the cooler background of the yard, and it instantly wakes the camera up to start recording. The second method is software-based pixel analysis. The camera's computer brain constantly compares the live video frames to each other. If it notices that a large group of pixels suddenly changed color because someone walked across the screen, it triggers the alarm. However, older cameras used to drive people crazy by sending panic notifications every time a stray cat walked by or a car drove down the street. That is why modern smart cameras now use built-in artificial intelligence. The computer chip is trained on thousands of images to physically recognize the specific shape and movement of a human being, a delivery package, an animal, or a vehicle. It completely filters out the swaying trees and falling shadows, ensuring that when your phone buzzes, it is actually something you need to pay attention to. Finally, we reach the most impressive part of the entire system, getting that video out of the camera and into your hand. Once the camera detects a human and records a video clip, its internal computer aggressively compresses the massive video file to make it as tiny as possible without ruining the quality. Using its built-in Wi-Fi antenna, it blasts this compressed video file through the air directly to the internet router sitting in your living room. Your router instantly pushes that file up to a secure cloud server managed by the camera company. That cloud server then sends a lightning-fast push notification straight to the security app on your smartphone, no matter where you are in the world. When you tap that notification, your phone connects to the cloud server and streams the video back to you. This entire complex journey from detecting heat, turning on invisible lights, converting photons to electricity, recognizing a human shape, compressing the video, and beaming it back to your pocket happens in a fraction of a single second. Knowing exactly how these invisible flashlights, smart heat sensors, and cloud networks operate together takes all the mystery out of your home security. It is not magic, it is just a brilliant, highly tuned system of modern engineering working tirelessly around the clock to protect the people and the things you love most. If this breakdown helped you finally understand your smart home technology and brought you some peace of mind, hit that subscribe button, give this video a quick thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling me the funniest thing your security camera has ever caught on tape. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.